We heard Brad just talking about lightning just a second ago. Certainly a scary situation on that front to talk about. It happened during a bridal photo shoot as lightning started to strike while a group was at Carvers Gap, that's near the North Carolina-Tennessee state line. Those folks say that storm came out of nowhere and it did result in a hospital trip. WCNC Charlotte's Siobhan Riley found out how the group made it through, though, and what you can do if you find yourself in a similar situation.
The group said it started off as a sunny, beautiful day. Within minutes of that photo shoot, a thunderstorm left them on the ground, covered with debris. What started as a bridal photo shoot turned into a near-death experience for Katie McDaniel and her friends. In this photo, she's holding her wedding dress in the gray bag.
I get married in 2 weeks to the day, 14 days. So this was just some bridal pictures just before we actually leave next week to go get married.
This is a photo of McDaniel in her wedding dress minutes before lightning started to strike last Friday on Roan Mountain. She blurred out her image in the wedding dress since the ceremony is a few weeks away.
Once the initial strike happened and we all immediately fell to the ground, my first instinct was we got to get out of there. I thought the tree was going to fall. When the lightning struck I heard the cracking.
McDaniel told us over the phone she believed the lightning traveled through the roots of the tree. That landed her in the emergency room along with her friends. Brianna Penley and her son were taking the bridal photos that day.
It was so quick that we literally went from standing to on the ground in a millisecond. If it would have killed us, we probably wouldn't even know what happened.
McDaniel and Penley's son had welts on their legs from the strike. Though they didn't suffer severe injuries, they know the situation could have been a lot worse.
I just remember seeing a bright flash and hearing it was very loud. I did see the ground smoking or something, and dirt and stuff just kind of flew up and hit us, but it just happened so fast.
The National Lightning Safety Council lists North Carolina among the top 5 states for the most lightning-related deaths from 2015 to 2024.
We had a good ways to run before we found any cover.
And experts say if you are in an area like this where there's a lot of trees, here's what you need to know before lightning or a thunderstorm. Be sure to remove dead or rotting trees and branches that may fall. Siobhan Riley, WCNC Charlotte.